The first question that comes in your mind, what is shortcut keys? So I'm going to tell you, shortcut keys help provide an easier and quicker method of navigating and executing commands in the computer software. The next question is why shortcut keys is important. It speeds up your work by allowing you to give simple commands using the keyboard rather than searching with your mouse. Daniel Hassan is back again with a new video focusing on most useful Windows 10 shortcut keys. Before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel Creative Mind. Let's go to the first slide. Here are the most useful Windows 10 shortcut keys. The first one is Alt plus Tab. The second one Windows key plus D. The third one Windows key plus Shift plus Alt. The fourth one Control plus Backspace, and the fifth one F2. I will cover one by one. So let's discuss the first shortcut key, Alt plus Tab. The first one is Alt plus Tab. Sometimes you have several programs open at the same time. To easily switch between those programs, just hold Alt Tab key at the same time. Then keep pressing the Tab key with the Alt key held down until you find your desired program, and then release both keys, just like this. The next is Windows key plus D. If you are in program and want to see desktop view without using mouse or wasting your time, just hold down Windows key plus D. Will minimize your open window and will show your desktop view. Holding down Windows key plus D again, it will bring you the same window back into view. The next shortcut key is Windows key plus Shift plus S. Maybe you are familiar with snipping tool for capturing a part of your screen. A quick way to take a screenshot or snippet with the latest version of Windows 10. Just hold down Windows key plus Shift plus S. You will see the cursor is replaced with the plus icon. Now just left click on your mouse and select the portion of the screen that you want to capture and then release. It will automatically create a copy to your clipboard. Let me demonstrate. For example, I'm taking this area. Okay, just click. Okay, but to save this capture, just click on it and click on this save icon. Okay, now select the type of your capture, hit the save button. The next shortcut key is Control plus Backspace. Normally backspace is used to delete a character, but if you want to delete a word, then simply press Control plus Backspace. It will delete the whole word, just like this. And the last shortcut key of this video is F2. If you want to rename a file without selecting it with your mouse, use your arrows key for selecting and simply press F2 and then rename your file. I have covered the first 5 most useful Windows 10 shortcut keys and will bring next 5 shortcut key in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. If this video is useful for you, kindly subscribe our channel, and if you have any suggestions about this video, then kindly share your thoughts in the comment section.